guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shira if it's your first time stopping by. So in today's video guys, I know I have a full beaten face without lips done. That's because I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks in simple ways to get an ombre lip, if that's what you want to call it, ombre lips. So in this video I'm coming to you with a lip tutorial. If it's your first time stopping by and you're not a subscriber of mine, please subscribe to my channel and help your girl grow. And like this video, comment down below, tell me which lippy combo is your favorite. Without me talking too much, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my lip pencils over here, so you can either use lip pencils or powders or concealer, but my favorite technique is that I like using contour powders. If you do not have lip pencils like this, you can either use dark brown powders just like from this eyeshadow. If you do not have this eyeshadow palette, please do yourself a favor and invest in something like this or something similar to this. If you can't afford original brands, you can always go on AliExpress. I always get most of my stuff from AliExpress. It's doing the job for now. You can use a contour palette, this dark shades right here, this and this are my favorites to use. So yeah, I'm not a fan of pencils. I normally use pencils on my clients because it just looks more hygienic and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into this lip combo. So I'm going to do 4 ombre lips for you guys, and to start with, I'll start with the more complex and then the lighter one because I'm currently filming another video. Like you see, I was filming this face right here. I'm not done because I gotta film 2 videos at once, honey. I'm pregnant and I'm getting tired. To have an ombre lip, the technique and the rule is simple. Use a darker color to outline your lips, and then the lighter color to fill in between your lips. No, to fill the gap. What? I don't know, but yeah, I hope you get the point. So I'll use this color right here as to outline my lips, and then I'm going in with this scary pink. Yeah, so let's just go there. I'll lightly moisturize my lips. Also, do not be scared to use your fingers because honey, they are yours and they're going into your lips. So here you go. That I created using those 2 colors right here, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so my second technique is that I'm going to be using my contour palette, and I'll go in with this shade right here. My favorite shade. You can see that it's finished, it's ran out just because I use it for everything. So I'll just take a little of this to outline my lips. So I'm going in with this shade right here. So this is how it looks matte. And for it look like this, I'm going to make it glossy just because I feel like it will look better if it's glossy. I will just go in with a clear gloss. Okay, so now we are going to more of the natural look, a neutral look, or pinkish nudish, you can call it like that. So I'll just go ahead and use the same technique, but this time around I'm going to use my eyeshadow palettes just to show you that you can also use an eyeshadow palette for like outlining your lips. Okay, I'll pick this color up, this brown, so I'll just outline my lips using that dark brown. Then I'm going to use this pink, which looks like a nudish pink. It's like a baby pink. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Like this there, it's very bright. So I'll just put this in the center of my lips. this is how it looks matte. Okay, so let's gloss it up, and then I'll just go ahead and put my clear gloss once again. Okay, so now we are going to our fourth and final. This is my favorite because this is like a nude. Okay, this is a nude, and what you need, you only need a concealer and your contour powder or your eyeshadow powder. Just that it, guys. I really love this because it goes with anything. Okay, anything, any eye look or any, it just looks very nude. Do the same technique of me outlining my lips using a black, no, using a contour powder. And then I'm going to take my concealer palette. Of course, you can also use the Allego Pro concealer. If you don't have a concealer palette, just use a concealer, guys. But I'm using this because this is a cream concealer, and this right here is like a liquid concealer, so this sticks more than this. This is runny, this is watery, but this one is like gel. Okay, so I'm going in with this shade right here. This middle shade right here is almost my skin complexion. It's almost my skin tone. Okay, so here is the matte look. And of course, we are going to add a gloss to this. This right here is my favorite look because it goes with anything. Of course, if you want your nude lip to be like out there, out there, I recommend you don't put a gloss on it, or you just put more concealer. And then yeah, without being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me down below which look was your favorite. You can do this with so many lip colors, guys. It's not what I just showed you here. Always use the darker color to outline your lips, and then the light color to fill in between your lips. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.